Hi friends, today in this video we'll discuss about Apache Tomcat installation and deployments on application deployments on a Linux machine. Okay, so this is my cheat sheet. So first we require Java and then wget, and then this is the it's a package. This we need to have installed in Linux machine in order to download some files wire and ear file from the internet via HTTP and HTTPS protocol, and then Tomcat download and installation, and then startup shutdown, and then we need to access the admin console, Tomcat console, and then we will create the Tomcat users, and finally we'll perform the deployments. Okay, application deployments. Okay, let me start my EC2 instance. This is my dashboard, EC2 dashboard. So currently I don't have any instances here. So let me quickly launch my instance. So select free tire, and then we'll go with this AMI, Amazon Linux to AMI. Select the first one, and then here you can select T2 micro. This is a free tire eligible, and in this process we'll get 1 core CPU and 1 gig of RAM. Okay, and then we require only one instance here. Then add storage. I will get 8 gig of disk space here, and then add tags. So we'll add later about these tags. Then configure security groups. So here we'll add some traffic, and then I will add some HTTP and HTTPS and some custom alt TCP. Yeah. So for now this is fine. Okay, and then review and launch. See here, all traffic means your instance may be accessible from the IP address, any IP address. Okay, so in you are working in production or in real-time environment, it should not be in the case. It should be like known IPs only you need to mention here for some of the applications, and for some applications you can its application is open to the world, anybody can access. Okay, that's depend upon the requirement. And finally we need the key. This is I have already key, and then I acknowledge that and launch instance. Yeah, with the launch log, so all three checks are successful. And then we'll see the view instance. See, this instance is getting ready for us. Okay, so currently I have logged in with Ohio is US East 2 region. Okay, now we got the public IP of this particular mission. Okay, so with the help of this public IP we can connect with the help of SSH tool. I'm using mobile XTerm here. If you want, you can use. We have PuTTY and Super PuTTY, and so many SSH clients will have. Depend upon your hands free, you can use. So go to sessions and SSH. Here, enter the remote host. Specify the use. Remote host means this is a public IP of this particular mission where we have copied from here. EC2 instance. Okay, and see here, specify username. The default username for EC2 instance, this image is EC2-user. Okay, go to the advanced SSH settings, use a private key. So here you can select the AWS PEM key which you have selected while launching the instance. Okay, so here no need to be converted into the PPK format or any other format. In this particular mobile XML tool, you can directly select the PEM format key and click on OK and click on OK. That's it. You are good to access the EC2 instance. Okay, yeah, now let me increase the font size. See, this is my instance. Okay, my ID is EC2 user. Okay, so let me log in into the, let me go to SU. Yeah, let me, yeah, this is my root user. Okay, okay, the disk space is around, we have 6.5 gig, 1.6 is used, so this is enough for Tomcat. Okay, since we are working on third-party applications, just go to the OPT and here you can create the directories and everything whatever you want. Okay, so our instance is ready here. So coming to here, yeah, let me open the cheat sheet. So we need Java first. Okay, let me check whether Java is there or not. Java hyphen version. So there is no Java here. Yeah, see, no Java here. So for this you have to install the Java. Before that, just install any update packages. Yeah, some packages are there. So before going to perform any activities, you can just install the updates of that particular machine so that it is easy to handle. It is good to handle the latest updates in the installed in the machine. Okay, then we'll install the Java. Yum install Java hyphen 1.8. Sorry, Java. Okay, that's it. Hit the enter. So here I'm trying to just pass the S. Here I'm trying to install the Java in my machine. So once Java done, then we'll check whether duplicate or is there or not this package. Okay, so 1.8 is a stable version. So we need Java mandatory for all kind of these application servers, Tomcat, JBoss, and Oracle Web Logic as well. And then yeah, let me see, out of 89, 85 done. Java is getting installed here. I think yeah, almost we're done. Yeah, Java installation is completed. Let me check the version. See, this is just Java. This is the Java 1.8 installed here, and then Java home path is this is user bin Java. This is a home path of the Java. Okay, this is the Java home. Okay, we are good with Java, and then we'll check the duplicate whether is there or not. Yum install duplicate hyphen y package already installed with the latest version. See here, duplicate is there, so no need to worry. So this package is mainly used for the downloading the any files from the HTTP or HTTPS protocol or the internet. Okay, so we'll see the exact use of this particular command. Okay, so create the folders. Now we are good to start with the Tomcat installation and Tomcat configuration. Okay, so Tomcat, so create the folder structure here. Okay, now I'm in OPT directory. Okay, so here mkdir vs minds. Okay, I have created here file folder called vs minds. So under vs minds I will install the Tomcat and everything. Okay, so that's it. So this is command used for downloading the Tomcat. Okay, let me download the Tomcat bundle with the help of duplicate Apache Tomcat download. See here, Apache Tomcat Apache.org. So in this website, just check here core binary distributions under core. See, copy the link address 9. We are installing 9.0.59 version. Okay, just duplicate, paste the enter URL here. That's it. Our tar bundle is ready. The file size around 12 MB, right? Okay, just tar -z xvf. We are just extracting the tar bundle. Okay, that's it. So tar bundle is ready. Just move into user friendly name. Tomcat 9, and then that's it, cd into the Tomcat 9. Yeah, this is the Tomcat home. This is the structure of the files, directory structure of the Tomcat. So bin and then conf and then lib and logs and temp and web apps and works. Okay, so temp and works is it's a cache type and temporary files. Each and every Tomcat restart, you have to clean this particular uh, directories. It is good practice while restarting the Tomcat. And web apps is nothing but it's a folder where you can copy the application files like war files. Okay, and then logs is nothing but the Tomcat logs where Catalina.out and Catalina logs will store here. If you want, you can tail the logs and you can check the logs from this directory. And the configuration, this is one of the most important directory structure where all kind of configuration files like server configuration and the database configurations and the application backend related configuration, everything will be stored here. So this is it's an important directory structure. And the bin is nothing but it's a restart scripts like shutdown or startup scripts. All kind of scripts will be stored here. Okay, so now we are good to start the Tomcat. Go to the bin and start up and shut down. Okay, let me go to the bin. See here, as I said, shutdown.sh and startup.sh. Let me start the Tomcat. That's it, Tomcat has started. Okay, if I want, just go back and go to the logs directory and tail the Tomcat Catalina.out. Okay, see here, server startup in something 1469 milliseconds. Okay, let me access the console, the Tomcat. Okay, see, with the help of public IP, you can access the Tomcat console. Okay, the default port of the Tomcat is 8080. See, this is my home page of the Tomcat. See, we are working with Tomcat 9.0.59. This is the Tomcat version which we are installing here now, right now. Okay, yeah, we are good with this Tomcat installation, startup and shutdown, and please clear the temp and cache work and logs folder for each Tomcat reset. Yeah, this is a good practice if you want. Okay, uh, then we had access the admin control of the Tomcat. Okay, and then before going to create the Tomcat users, we have to allow the traffic from the external world. Okay, so there, in order to allow the traffic, we need to just comment out the lines I will show in this particular directory: web apps manager meta inf, web apps host manager meta inf. Okay, so let me open this particular conf folder. Sorry, no need to go for conf. Web apps, under web apps we have host manager. Under this meta inf, see here, see just take the backup of this particular file, not only this file, for any kind of changes in the XML files, in the any kind of environment, whether production or UAT or test environment, just take the backup of the original file. It is good practice. Okay, so at the time I can just come the value class name here, allow the traffic. So that's why we need to comment out this particular line. Okay, and then just save the file. That's it, we are good here, and go to the again web apps folder. Here now the manager and the meta env, take the backup of this particular context.xml and do the same thing which we have done in the earlier. Just comment out these two lines. That's it, we are done. Okay, so we have allowed the traffic from the world, external IPs, and then Tomcat users. We need to create the Tomcat user, means just go to the conf and Tomcat user.xml. Okay, see this, just one step back, one more, go to the conf. Okay, see, take the backup, bkp. Okay, and I have already users details with me. If you want, you can, I'll post in the chat. You can copy paste the same information with the help of you, whatever you require the IDs. Okay, so here you just paste the this thing, user details. Okay, from the role to this. Okay, to the notepad, take this particular information and uh, just copy paste this thing. Okay, this is my VS user ID and this is a password, and then just copy, save it. That's it. Okay, we have created the users, the Tomcat. That's it. Okay, we'll log in with the help of user. Okay, so before that you need to just restart the Tomcat once you have created the user Tomcat. See, this is a Tomcat is running, Tomcat 9 bin / shutdown.sh. Okay, Tomcat is stopped, and this page should not, yeah, this site cannot be reached right now. Let me, as I said, just remove the content inside the work, and then temp, and then logs. Okay, now go to the bin directory and then start the server startup. That's it, Tomcat has started. If you want, sorry, if you want, just go back into the logs. Okay, and just tell the catalina.outlog. See, Tomcat server started in 1637 milliseconds. Okay, let me, yeah, this page is accessible now, and click on server status. See, this is the username, vs minds. The password is, enter the password. Yeah, this is the Tomcat admin console. Okay, so complete server status, list of applications. Yeah, these are the list of applications. This is the Tomcat web application manager. Okay, so we are good now. The final is deployments in the Tomcat. So here I will show the two kind of deployments. One is from the admin console, Tomcat web application manager, and another one is from server level. Okay, first we will do the deployments on server level. Okay, So in order to perform the server level deployments, just go to the, it's a simple and pretty straightforward. Go to the web apps directory and just whatever the WAR file you want to deploy, you just copy and or copy and paste here. Just move the files here. That's it. Okay, I don't have any WAR files right now, and I will just download from the internet. Okay, sample WAR file download for Tomcat. See here, sample application. This is a example WAR file. You can download here. Copy the link and just hit the link here. That's it. Sample WAR file is downloaded here. Okay, so now it is better to restart the server. Okay, ps-ef ps-ef grep tomcat. Okay, so just kill the process, but this is not recommend. But once we are working with the production environment, okay, so you have to follow the shutdown script. Okay, this script you need to use. Okay, so now I have terminated the process enforcedly, and as I said, the rmrf work folder, you need to delete content inside the work, and then temp, and then logs, take the backup of the existing logs and delete it. Okay, now just open the bin folder // startup.sh. That's it, your Tomcat is ready. Okay, so now how to access the particular deployments, okay, page. It is simple and straightforward. Go to the public IP and then just go to the 8080 port /sample. Okay, that's it. This is my sample page. This is the deployments. Okay, this is how you need to access the page in the Tomcat. Okay, that's it. So this is one type of methodology which we are using in, so in real time we will use this kind of methodology, and very rare case we'll use from admin console as well. Let me show in that particular methodology as well. Okay, go to the web apps. Okay, and just remove the sample.war file from here. Okay, now I believe you don't, yeah, page not found error, we will get it. Okay, so now we will download this particular sample WAR file from see here, let me download from my local machine. See, this is there in the downloads. So from here we will from the Tomcat manager, we will select this particular file, deploy the directory WAR file located on the server. Okay, so choose file here, WAR file to deploy. Under the downloads, sample WAR file. Okay, and then deploy. That's it. See here, message is okay. It means the deployments has completed successfully. Okay, if you want, you can tail the logs as well. Okay, see here, our application is online now. Okay, this is how you need to perform the deployments on the Tomcat application server. Okay, so one more thing, Tomcat is nothing but it's a lightweight application server which cannot handle the J2EE related applications. It can handle only web content, WAR files, web archive files. It can't handle the high-end business logic applications like J2EE applications, Python, everything. It can't handle the ER files. Okay, it can able to handle only WAR files. It's a lightweight application. Okay, so for very small applications and real time, they will use like this. And finally, just go to the logs. Okay, and see the logs, tail the logs, where we can perform all kind of operations. See sample.war file deployed. Okay, so finish the sample.war file deployments has been finished. Deployment of a web application has finished. So everything will be written in the logs. Okay, so logs handling and monitoring is very important task in the real-time environment. So guys, please thoroughly watch the logs in order to get the more information while performing any kind of task like deployments or any application configuration. Everything will be stored here. Okay, if you got any kind of logs, errors and exceptions, just check with the application team so that they will so they will return the WAR file again, and you can deploy that latest WAR file. Okay, so this is how we need to perform the monitoring of the logs and performing the deployments and configuration of the users in the Tomcat. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Yeah, thanks for watching this video once again.